Today's video is brought to you by jinglemining.com, cryptocurrency mining hardware supplier and vendor that sells specialized equipment or ASICs to large-scale operations and all the way down to the small at-home miner. They offer products that allow you to mine various cryptocurrencies and algorithms so that way you can earn passive income. If you want to learn how, click the link in the description, jinglemining.com. Hey, what's going on, everyone? Vega here for SerpentX Tech, and in this video I want to talk about how I take mining profits or profits that are already made and make more profit or more cryptocurrency or fiat, depending on how I'm feeling, on the side. Now, this is a slow and steady growth type situation. This isn't something that's going to make you money overnight, but just an opportunity for you to do it. Now, some of my senior viewers know exactly what I'm talking about before I even mention it. However, my new users may not, and that's 3commas. 3commas is a trading bot, an automatic trading bot. It's not the only one that's out there. There's a number of them that will be available to you out in the general public, and you can do some research to see which one fits your needs. However, this is one that's serving well over the years, and they have a free plan and then they have some paid plans, and different paid plans give you different options or more access to more things. On the free plan, we get one grid bot, one DCA bot, one HODL bot, one options bot. We can have one active smart trade, and we have a limited scalper terminal, which I have not utilized to its fullest. Unfortunately, no paper trading, which a lot of people like to use, and no smart bot. But the free plan allows you to do a few things, get that exposure, and then if you need to expand beyond that, or you want to have multiple DCA bots enabled, short and long, you're going to want to check out one of the paid plans. Now, again, this isn't the only trading bot out there. There's Crypto Hopper, eToro, Trade Santa, so on and so forth. And there's going to be a lot of articles that tell you why this bot is better than this bot. So you're just going to have to do a little bit of research, see which one fits your criteria, your needs, and stuff like that. Now, right now, at time of filming, I'm down $1. I'm actually down a lot more than that. And we could see our portfolio mix, and it has a number of exchanges that it supports, automatically connect to, or that you can configure it to automatically connect to, and it will automatically, obviously, after you integrate API keys and stuff like that, which you would have to create per exchange, it will automatically trade for you, because you don't have the time to stay up all night, keep an eye on the charts, and initiate the trades right when they need to happen. But they support Binance, OKX, Qcoin, Coinbase, Binance US, Binance TR, BitMEX, Bitfinex. So spot trading, futures trading, derivatives or options trading. So many different exchanges that 3commas supports. And looking at my portfolio, you know, since October 30th, 2021, where I was negative $1.80 on that day, since then, all the way to, I think, February 22nd, 2023, which is 5 days from before time of filming, I made $407.60. Now, that's not a lot of money. I don't have thousands of dollars to feed this trading bot and just let it ride. So, you know, $100 there, $100 there, here, there, whatever. That's what I do. And I made over $407 over time. Obviously, a long period of time, but over time. And we could see additional parameters when we click on our bot. Now, you see all these bots in front of you, but there's only one that's active. And that's because, again, I am on the free plan. In the upper right-hand corner, you'll see free. And I have a long bot, which is the main base pair is USDT, or excuse me, USD. And then I'm focusing on the cryptocurrencies I want: Matic, Tezos, Loopring, DOT, Engine Coin, ETH, Bitcoin. I'm focusing on the tokens I want to focus on. And you can see on the right-hand side, we have a summary of profits. And on January 26, 2023, we had $251 in profit. But by the 24th, we had $285 in profit. So not a whole lot, but it adds up over time. Further down on profit by day, you can see on the 26th, I made 81 cents. 26th of January, excuse me. On the 28th of January, I made $1.21. On the 29th, another 81 cents. On the 30th, $1.61. On the 31st, $2.52. And on February 1st, $4.54. And then you can see there's gaps too. So those days I did not make any money. My bots were already configured. They were waiting for the position to be hit, whether it's you know, a certain target or not, and then it would complete the profit, or I would wind up just getting stuck like I am right now, because the market took a bit of a dip, and we can see right now that my Avalanche to USD pairing is doing quite bad. I'm negative $5.85 on Cosmos. I'm negative $2.16. And on Litecoin, I'm negative $13. Now, I could close this at market price, take the L of $8.22. Or sometimes, if I'm feeling frisky, I might just cancel it outright and then put more money back into the bot to make sure I have enough to cover the amount, like 128 bucks. And then I just start the bot all over again. But you really want to leave your bots running long term. It's just I am uncertain with the current market conditions if that's a good move. If I cancel the bots, or if I cancel those trades and just hang on to the coins and then refill it, you know, what happens in the market dips back down? That's what I'm worried about. I think the market's due for a little bit more further downward pressure and movement. So I'm waiting to see, because it could also just do the exact opposite and climb up to where my bots are set to take profit. So I'm kind of on the fence, but this is something that I monitor, but I'm not sitting here 24/7 looking at the charts. That's a benefit. There's a lot of great detail you can do with these trading bots that I'm not going to go into in today's video. But you can see here, I got trading view, 1 minute strong buy, 5-minute buy, 15-minute buy as my start conditions. I have a target profit. I have a base order, safety order. All of that I talked about in a previous video, and there's plenty of guides out there to show you how to set up your bot. But with Discover a Bot, you can kind of get the idea. Obviously, you're going to have to change it for the amount of funds you're going to put into it, because some of these people are spending thousands of dollars. But if you're looking for a particular bot, multi-pair, single pair, all of it's up here in the upper section of this page. You can choose by exchange, you know, whatever exchange you got. So if we search Coinbase, we could see this bot made 8.82% profit in the past month, and it's got all these coins that are in it. And I could copy that bot, but then obviously I would always recommend adapting it for your needs, your setup, your configuration, because you can set up these bots to trade based on Bollinger Bands, custom trading view signals. There's so many different signals that you can utilize with these trading bots that makes it very interesting. So if I hit this and I click edit settings, some of those trading signals you will see is right here. We can add a condition. We got RSI, QFL, CQS scalping, CQS BitMEX scalping, manual API if you have a manual API, or a custom trading view signal, Bollinger Bands, so many different metrics or oh my gosh, trading signals that you can use. I can't think today. To help your bot out. But that's what I'm doing. I'm simply taking profits already made, and then I'm using it to accumulate, because like I said, I sometimes will just cancel the order outright and hang on to the crypto. So now I got more of Cosmos, more of Avalanche, more of Litecoin, whatever it might be, and I just refill the bot with USD, obviously if I have the money, and it will continue to trade for me. So it's something that you don't have to spend as much time as you would on daily trades, but it's something that could accumulate you some more assets or cryptocurrency or fiat based upon your needs. And I just wanted to share that with you. So do me a favor on the way out. Please hit the like button. Make sure to get subscribed. Hit the notification bell to stay up to date. As well as check out the links in the description to help support the channel. I'll leave a referral link to 3commas down there as well. And you just have yourself a wonderful day. Take care. I'll catch you next one.